It's beautiful.
Bang, 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 bang.
Oh my god. So I just walked in the house and do you know what I see? This is what I see. Do you know what this is? This is melted chocolate. And then come over here and what is this? It's already started. I'm gonna get so fat because she's just gonna start making all this stuff. That's the first round. Do you know what comes next? These things right here, covered in chocolate with peanut butter in the center and toffee. Lots and lots of chocolate, nut covered toffee. Oh my god. You already know what I have to do now. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Remember when I said she was going to be making it? No. 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 She's already made it. How am I supposed to do my nails when there's chocolate in the house? Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mary Vlogmas. Like I said in my last video, I need to get these nails taken care of because I took them off because they were like really gross and like really grown out. So I am doing my own dip nails at home and they're gonna be super Christmas themed. I even went out and got my own little like Swarovski crystals like to put on them and I'm so excited. So I have my dip powder right here and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Woo! Okay, so it took me quite a while to do this because I was doing it all myself and it's dip powder, so that's like even more crazy. But here is the finished product. I'm so proud of them. I am like so beyond proud, but let's go. So I finished my nails now and I have like the most Christmassy nails ever. Like, oh, I'm so proud of them. Look at how cute they are. And like doing them yourself, a lot more cost effective, but girl, it takes a lot of time. This legit took me so long. I think I started like around 8 o'clock, 8:30, and it's now like 11. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye! I just stopped to get some food before I go into Marshall's to go Christmas shopping some more, but ever since I went to Hawaii, I've been like literally obsessed with pad thai. It's like my favorite thing in the whole entire world now, and I know it's like so bad for you, but I don't really care. It's delicious. So I just got this like fire pad thai from this place. Take a peek. Look at how delicious this looks. Oh my god, I'm about to dig in. After I eat this, I'm gonna go into Marshall's and see what I can find for Christmas like gifts because I have nothing. So let's go. Okay, so I'm at Marshall's right now and look what I just found. It's a Snuggie, but like it's not made by Snuggie, but it's like reindeer version and it's so soft. Oh my god, I want this. They also have like a unicorn one, but after that I want the reindeer. Look at that. Look at them, so cute. Look at those. I literally just walked into my house to this. She's up on a ladder in the crawl space. This guy's kind of derpy. What is she doing? Where is his friends? She's crazy. She's crazy. She's climbing on ladders and like. But it only works at Christmas time. Couple of reindeer. All right, here's one reindeer. I'm chilling with the squad. I got the elf, the reindeer, and the other reindeer.
Which one should go where?
Hi.
I don't like him.
You asked for him.
No, this one was okay.
I found more friends.
Okay, could you please bring me the snowman with the little red
They're my
hat?
friends.
Or the penguin with the little red hat.
They're my friends. I don't want to give them up now.
Thank you. These are the ones I was talking about before.
I know, they were under the tree. I didn't know where they were. You're hurting him. He's crying. Look at him. Look at his face.
Okay. There's a snowman over here.
I don't wanna.
Huh?
I don't wanna.
Okay, then I'll put him back.
He's soft. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Story time. I went outside to get my camera out of my car. And I literally have like my pajamas on. All I wear to bed is like a big t-shirt and like that's it. And so I have no pants on. Story time. So I went outside to get my camera out of the car and all I wear to bed is like a big t-shirt like this, okay? It's nighttime and I didn't think anyone was gonna be out there, so I was like, whatever, this shirt's like big, it's like a XXX, so I'm like, whatever, I'm fine. And I went outside and I was bending over into my trunk to get my camera. A car drives by and I'm pretty sure they saw mis pompis, so sorry. Yeah, that's fun. But now I'm just inside relaxing. I'm gonna eat my food and probably end up snacking on this toffee my mom made because, you know, I always have to make an appearance now. I'm literally obsessed with these things. So yeah, that's gonna end episode 4 of Vlogmas. So I will see you guys tomorrow for my next vlog. Good night!